She sat by the window in the quiet evening. The sky was soft and gray, like it was thinking too. In her hands was a piece of paper. It was empty, but her heart was full. She took a deep breath and began to write. The letter was for someone she once loved, someone she had not spoken to in many years. Her hand moved slowly, as if each word was heavy. She wrote about the first day they met, how nervous she felt, how he smiled and made her feel safe. She wrote about small moments, like shared coffee and long walks. The room felt warm as memories returned. She smiled, then stopped. Her eyes filled with tears. Some memories were sweet, some were painful. She wrote about the day everything changed, the misunderstanding, the silence that followed. She wrote about the words she never said, about her fear of being honest. Outside, the evening became darker. The city lights turned on one by one. Inside, the only sound was her pen on paper. Each sentence felt like a quiet confession. She wrote about her life now, about the job she learned to love, about living alone and finding peace. She wrote that she was stronger now. Then she stopped again. Her hand rested on the paper. She read the letter from the beginning. It felt true. It felt free. She folded the letter carefully. She placed it in an envelope. She wrote his name on the front. Her hands shook a little. She stood up and walked to the door. For a moment, she imagined sending it. Imagined his face while reading her words. Imagined peace between them. Then she paused. She placed the letter in a small box on the shelf. She did not send it. But something inside her felt lighter. The letter was never sent. But it was never wasted. It helped her say goodbye. It helped her forgive. She turned off the light and went to bed. The box stayed on the shelf, quiet, complete.